Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am going to make some banana bread. Okay, if you have some ripe bananas and you don't know how to use them, here's one way. Okay, so first we are going to go put in the dry group. So get one bowl. And then you put the dry, like a mixture thing. So first we're gonna put in the flour. Okay, and then the brown sugar. And then the regular sugar. Some cinnamon and some salt. I'm out. Okay. Now we are gonna put some baking soda and baking powder. Two different ones. It's not the same one. Don't get confused. Okay. After we're done with the dry ones, we're going to mix them all together. Yeah. This is heavy. Okay, so you just mix it all together. Okay, after you mix them all together, put them aside for right now because we don't need them. So you get the banana, then you open it up. You have the banana. You should grab a fork or anything to mash it up. You don't want this stuff. I'm the world's greatest chef. After you do that, you get another bowl. So you put the eggs in. Okay. And then you got this. Yeah. Have you ever watched Infinity War where like Thanos sits in the water and he's like, where like he has his soul stone, but in that case Thanos is the butter and the water is the eggs, and then Thanos is gonna die. Now I'm gonna eat the banana. Okay, whisk, whisk, whisk. The whisker. Okay. Now, okay, you get the dry ingredients, the wet ingredients. We're saying, you put this into that, the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Ooh. Okay. After you preheat your oven, you can mix, mix, you have to make sure that you get the inside, because the inside has a lot of flour. Yeah, I just see some over here. Okay. After you're done, you put this aside and you get like a small pan, and then you spread butter. This. Spread it with the napkin. You should cook about 40 to 50 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna pour it in. You can add some chocolate chips. My mom doesn't like them, so I'm gonna secretly put them in there. Not too much. Add one. I gotta put them back. I'm gonna put it in the oven. I'll see you in 50 minutes. Bye! Thanks for watching my video. Stay safe, guys.